If we take a novice trader, for example, any decisions that he might make to break or alter a set of rules for a given trade, they tend to be based off his interpretation of what's normally hearsay. And I say this because he doesn't have an adequate amount of knowledge nor an adequate amount of experience to make good decisions if he doesn't have those references yet. As a result, he'll tend to have very little confidence in what he's doing, and rightfully so, because he has no personal reference. So what they'll tend to do is look to others or make up stories to justify fear or greed so that the trader feels okay about breaking his or her rules. He might hear something on the internet or say something to himself like, well, I guess that sounds reasonable, and then get down on his hands and knees and pray that it works, right? And then wonder why they're not trading confidently. Unless, of course, you get into this thing called blind confidence, which some people have, which is kind of dangerous, right?